Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I want to talk about what came through to a scent bird that was in my queue, and it is AKRO CRUSH. So this is not a new fragrance, but I wanted to put this and add it to my queue. I wanted to try it, and I am absolutely ready to give you all my full thoughts. You all know how we do around here, so let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first up, do I think this fragrance is versatile? A little. I think it could be versatile. So let's get into the occasion. I say it can be versatile because I feel like outside of like the maybe the fall, well, no, maybe fall, but maybe the winter season when we get to the like gritty of cold, this fragrance may get lost in the sauce, but I still think it would be pretty. But I feel like it can be versatile for the occasion. So occasions, I can see you wearing this to one, to the bed, to the bedroom, to the bed. I could see you wearing this to bed. I can also see you wearing this on errands. I could see you wearing this to a pretty in pink party. Like if there was a theme party and you had to wear pink, I can see that. I could also see this for like a girl's brunch, a girl's day out. I would probably not wear this, and I will say I probably wouldn't wear this to like a evening formal event. Okay, so maybe to a wedding, but if they were having like an after party for the wedding, maybe not there. I would not. I would have to change up my whole outfit. But if it was like during the spring, a day party or a baby shower, okay, so I know I've been experiencing some different showers, some birthday parties, some graduations, so I feel like those would absolutely be for this. So occasions, I've given you a lot to think about. Next up, packaging. So I don't have the real packaging, so I don't know how this feels. But if this is a glass bottle, I love it. If it is a plastic bottle, I don't know. I guess it'd be okay. It's okay. I don't think this would like affect my life, right? No packaging would affect my life, but I believe for me, the packaging as far as it being pink is spot on par with how the fragrance smells. So yeah, but I don't know if this is plastic or glass. Some of you all let me know what this is if you have it. But yeah, I mean, the packaging, it looks okay to me on the piece of paper. Now, AKRO CRUSH pricing, this I've seen about $150, $153, something around there. Pricing, we'll get into it more on my in-depth at the end, but that's the pricing. Now, sis, does this lean more feminine or masculine? I absolutely feel like this leans more feminine in a lot of different ways. So 100%, I feel like this would be a more feminine fragrance. Now, this was launched in 2025, so not far off, right? But let's get into the notes. So notes, we have almond, lychee, Bulgarian rose. In the middle, we have base notes of praline and vanilla, okay? So now that we got all those deets out the way, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. So as you all know, I am a part of Scentbird. I'm a Scentbird girly, and I love to get different fragrances in my queue. I like to test and try fragrances, right, to see if I want to purchase a full bottle. Now, AKRO, I have seen you all talk about AKRO Bake. That would probably be the one that stands out to me. I mean, they have all different types, so it's not just AKRO Bake. They have all different types of scent. But I would say probably one of the most popular fragrances that I've heard of from this house of AKRO would be AKRO Bake, okay? I have never smelled AKRO Bake, but you all have talked about it down. I have been interested, but not interested in getting like a full bottle, okay? So I did not see AKRO Bake on my queue. It may be there now, but I did not at the time see it in my queue or see it on Scentbird for me to try. So I did see Crush and I was like, I'm curious, what does this smell like? Because it was giving me, of course, like Delina Parfums de Marly, like bottle vibes. And I saw lychee and I'm like, okay, is this just going to be one of the girls, like another dupe of that fragrance? Okay, so I was kind of like, well, let me try this, all right? Bam, when I say, and if you all have it out there, maybe you all know what I'm going to say. You have to, let's start there. You have to like a powder fragrance, hands down. Like, not like a cheap powder, but very much a luxury, like, you know, back in the day, and they might still have it, right? Where they had this like big powder puff and you would put it in like your powder fragrance concoction and you would add it and you would put it all over your body. That is what I get when I spray this scent. I get a luxury like cloud of powder. Right? So if you do not like a powdery, like a kiss powdery type of scent, you're probably not gonna like it. I'm telling you now, you'll be like, oh, team too much. But if you do like a luxury powder scent, I would say absolutely try it. Now, did I love this fragrance? Do I love this fragrance? I absolutely do. Like, I actually want a full bottle. And to know, let's go to pricing. Like, to know that this is $150 or somewhere around this for this fragrance, sign me up yesterday, okay? I love it. I will absolutely, by the end of this year, mark my words, this fragrance will be in my collection. This will be my first AKRO fragrance in my collection. Like, hands down. I loved it so much. I even got compliments. I felt very pretty. I felt like I needed to be wearing pink. I was like, do I need to be a flower girl somewhere? Do I need to be on a bed of roses? Like, how do I need to come? Like, it was so good. And it's very girly, very pretty. Like, anything I would see like pink and girly and flirty, and like, I loved it. I loved it so much. I could not believe. And I did smell like almost like this almond-y.
What's your little almond-y self? You so almond-y. Look at you. I'm gonna start calling you Almond Joy.
Very warm, right? Warm, rosy type of fragrance. That's what I felt like. I did feel like there was lychee, a little bit of like a fresh type of fruit in there. When I tell you, hands down, I loved it. I loved everything about this fragrance. But this would not be for everyone. This is not, trust me when I say, this is not a blind buy or a fragrance for everyone. And I only say that because that cloud of powder to me stands out, but I absolutely love it. That is like me. Like, if your girl is not wearing clearly this white floral in this white flora saga, like a powder, like not a cheap powder. This is going to be gone soon. I love this so much. This would actually be good for like, you know, I know by the time you see this video, Mother's Day would have come and gone, but this would be good for like, be good for a Mother's Day, like brunch or day. I mean, this would even be good out of like a bubble bath type of like self-care day. If you wanted to wear this to bed, if you wanted to get cozy, if you wanted to smell very like, if you didn't want to smell like food, because you know the men folks like the food, they like to be in your neck. Well, I know my man folks, I can't talk about all the men out there. Side note, girl, when I say men, and I come right back, y'all know how I am. I know that there are women that love this, but not every woman likes this. I'm just gonna put it out there. Not every woman is about to be calling you daddy, and not every woman wants to call you daddy. Yeah, we want no part of that. And so for you to be like, you know, you I want to see, you want to see Big Daddy or Daddy or okay, there is a audience for all of that. right? She out there. Trust me. She out there. She out there to call you daddy, and she out there to maybe even treat you like a daddy. I don't know. She out there somewhere, but it ain't everybody. And I need you to do some soul searching, digging, and see if the woman even like you to call her daddy, or like you to even name yourself as Big Daddy or Daddy, or recognize yourself in that way. I need you to do some research. Don't test the water. Maybe ask the question. If I call myself Big Daddy, would you like that, or would you be turned off? Because for me, I is turned off. Like, and maybe again, that is just me. The turn wants no parts of it. Okay, I don't want no parts of the daddy. Okay, my daddy has come and gone. My daddy's passed away. I don't want nobody. I don't want no daddy. I had a daddy. Okay, I was good. I want no part of your daddy. I had to get that out. But anyway, going back to the fragrance. Listen, in the bedroom, I feel like, if we want to get away from the gourmands and the food and stuff in the bedroom, and you wanted to test if like a little bit of a powder and like a, you doing a different type of lingerie. You doing a lingerie that has some, some fur on it or something like that. You being real extra. Okay, you want to be a diva, be real extra for that bedroom. I feel like AKRO CRUSH could be that in the bedroom. Okay, but this I would absolutely have in my collection by the end of this year for sure. This is so good. I enjoyed it so much. I even enjoy that the price is the price. Like, it lasts. Oh my goodness. Now, you're not going to knock the people out, but will you get compliments? Yes. If you walk by somebody, you're going to get compliments. If the wind's blowing, you're going to get compliments. But are you going to be knocking the people out and they're going to be on the floor and you're going to have to help them out and you choking the people out? Like, no, it's not one of those choker the people out. Every fragrance don't have to do that. It's a very soft, pleasant, luxury, plush. It's so good. Like a warm plush pillow. Sign me up all day, okay? Well, fam, do you have this fragrance? Do you want this fragrance? Okay? And leave the daddy on the side. No, just saying. But if you want this fragrance, let me know. Comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts, okay? Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.